When dealing with enantiomers, you must be able to distinguish between the two forms. We've come up with a labeling system in order to do this. First of all, you must be able to assign priorities to all of the 4 groups attached to the chiral center. Atomic groups attached to the chiral center are given priority based upon their atomic number. The lowest priority goes to the one with the lowest atomic number. In this case, it's hydrogen, which has an atomic number of 1. So it has the lowest priority. The highest priority of all these groups is going to be oxygen, because it has an atomic number of 8. So we're going to designate it priority 1. For these 2 groups, connected to the chiral center is carbon. In order to distinguish between which one has a higher priority, you must go out one further from the actual carbon. This carbon is attached to 3 hydrogens. This carbon is attached to 2 hydrogens. This carbon is attached to 3 things which have lower priority than the 3 groups attached to this carbon. Therefore, this carbon has a lower priority than this carbon. Let's designate 2. Now that we've given priorities to all of the groups attached to the chiral center, in order to give it a label, we must rotate it to where the lowest priority is directed away from us. In order to do this, in this case, it's easy to interchange these 2 groups and these 2 groups. By doing that, we fill in the boxes accordingly. With the lowest priority group pointed away from us, we can see that we trace a line from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 1 that goes clockwise, which is designated as R. For the other enantiomer, you must also assign priorities in the same manner as we did before. Hydrogen has an atomic number 1, so its priority is going to be 4. The hydroxide group is again 1, the methyl group is again 3, and the propyl group is also again 2. Here, we don't have to interchange any of the groups because the lowest priority group is already in the back. So we'll go ahead and fill in the box the same as it appears to the left. If you trace a path from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 1, you see that this is a counterclockwise pattern which gives this stereocenter a label of S.